Anesthesia, you all know, is a fast growing and growth leaps and bounds in last decade.
And on this prestigious podium, I bring good wishes from the Indian Journal of Anesthesia. It's a very nice moment for me when I'm making this announcement that the impact factor of the journal has improved from 1.9 to 2.2 as per the Clarivate impact factor received this month.
Of course, I have to give so much of a report regarding year-wise report in this thing, but I am cutting short to very few achievements what we have done in last year.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today, our respected Chief Guest, Dr. K. Ramesh Reddy Garu, Honorable Vice-Chancellor of KNR University of Health Sciences, K. Sathyanarayana Garu, MLA Manakondur, and other distinguished guests on the dais, respected senior faculty, delegates, postgraduate students, and media, and ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to Prathima. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome each of you at this conference at Prathima because as the director of this institute, I feel both proud and privileged that Prathima has been chosen to host such a prestigious scientific gathering. And we are happy to host our dynamic Vice-Chancellor Garu. Under your leadership, sir, medical education, research and healthcare is excelling, and we request your continued support to all the medical colleges. Today I want to talk about Prathima Institute of Medical Sciences. Prathima as a family, we ventured into healthcare in 2001 under the dynamic leadership of my father, Chairman Boinipally Garu. Under his leadership, we have expanded to almost 2,500 beds in Telangana. We have 2 medical colleges, one in Karimnagar, this one, and other one is in Warangal, with 400 MBBS seats. And we have 150 postgraduate seats in PIMS right now. And we also have 2 corporate hospitals in Hyderabad, and as well we have one standalone cancer institute in Warangal, which is a special one for us because we are doing a very good job, and I would like to request if any of you are interested, please visit the facility because we have such high-end facility over there to treat the poor people. So that is one thing. And there is a saying in medicine, I would like to say, the best doctors are lifelong students. So I believe this conference beautifully reflects that spirit, and every patient teaches us something new, every colleague broadens us our perspective, and every scientific meeting gives us an opportunity to become a better doctors. So at Prathima, we are always forefront to support such gatherings. And to the young postgraduates, students, and our campus, and months of meticulous planning and teamwork are reflected in this wonderful event, and they deserve our heartfelt appreciation. So I hope each participant leaves with a new knowledge, fresh ideas, strong professional friendships, and renewed inspiration to serve patients with excellence. I wish this conference grand success and every delegate a memorable and academic rewarding experiences, and Prathima will definitely host such conferences in the future also. Thank you.
As we all know that day by day there is a remarkable progress in the medical field. It is affecting every specialty, including the anesthesia. But some specialties like anesthesia, there is a leaps and bounds in the progress, and this makes us all the more important to be abreast with the latest developments. If not, we will be lagging behind. When we started practice, at that time, there was not much of change. Everything was stagnant. There were only minor changes. When we started practicing way back, I'm a pediatric surgeon. When we started practicing way back, in about 3 decades back, there used to be only scoling. All this newer generation of muscle relaxants have come later. You give that scoling dose to the newborn, and our poor anesthetist has to ventilate that baby till late in the evening or night because the recovery used to be delayed. But as you progress, now today we have such excellent drugs. I'm just giving an example. That is, at least in my specialty, how the things have changed in relation to the anesthesia.